Interactable buttons on a Google slide. Start by naming your presentation something. For this tutorial I will name it Test, but you can name it whatever you want. Next, add some detail to the slide, maybe some text boxes or images. After you're happy with the slideshow, we can get to the fun part, adding some shapes. Actually, this entire thing bases off of shapes as the buttons. For this tutorial, I will add 2 buttons with the text fox and cat. But do not use the text box as your text, use the shapes text for it. After you're done, we can select the outside of the shape, not the text, but the outside of the shape, then hit Ctrl and K. Then type in a word slide, followed by the number slide to take you to, or you can just give it a link. Now, we can enter slideshow mode and enjoy the interactive buttons. The fox button will take us to the fox slide, and the cat button should take us to the cat slide. I hope you enjoyed this short YouTube short and have fun with interactive buttons.